Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're done wasting time vacuuming and mopping manually, you're going to love what I've got today. Roborock just dropped some of the most powerful, intelligent, and hands-off robot vacuums we've seen so far. And they're not just upgrades, they're full-on smart home cleaning machines. With suction power hitting over 10, zero paw, AI obstacle detection, automatic mop washing and drying, and full Matter smart home integration, this year's lineup is next level. But with all the hype, which ones are actually worth it? Well, I've done the testing, and in this video I'm counting down the 5 best and newest Roborock models you can buy right now. From advanced Qrevo and MaxV units to the groundbreaking Saros Z70, each one brings something serious to the table. Let's jump in and remember, the most powerful pick is waiting for you at number 1. Number 5. Roborock Qrevo Master. Kicking off the list is the Roborock Qrevo Master, a powerful, smart, and fully automated robot vacuum that's built for people who want to stop thinking about floor cleaning altogether. If you're tired of half-baked features or robots that need constant babysitting, the Qrevo Master is here to prove that hands-free cleaning can be both powerful and dependable. Let's start with what really matters. This machine doesn't just vacuum, it vacuums and mops with precision. We're talking 7,000 paw of suction power, enough to pull out deeply embedded dirt from carpets, clean hardwood in one pass, and handle pet messes without blinking. The dual mop system spins, scrubs, and lifts automatically, adjusting its pressure based on the surface type, and even lifts when carpet is detected. And once it's done, the Qrevo Master returns to a sleek base station that handles everything auto mop washing, hot air drying, dustbin emptying, and even clean water refills. It's a truly autonomous cleaning cycle, with no need to get your hands dirty. But the real game changer is the AI-powered obstacle avoidance. The Qrevo Master uses reactive AI too to not only detect but recognize objects like shoes, pet waste, wires, and random clutter. It doesn't just avoid bumping into stuff, it intelligently works around your home with awareness and accuracy. The mapping system is lightning fast with advanced LiDAR. You can set no-go zones, schedule room-specific cleanings, and monitor everything through the Roborock app or via voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home. It also supports Matter integration, meaning it works with the latest smart home ecosystems. Battery life? Expect up to 200 minutes of runtime, more than enough for large homes. And if it runs low, it'll auto-recharge and pick up right where it left off. It even speaks multiple languages and has a surprisingly friendly voice assistant built in. Who's it for? The Roborock Qrevo Master is perfect for busy professionals, families with pets, or anyone who wants spotless floors without lifting a finger. It delivers next-level automation without the flagship price tag. Bottom line, the Qrevo Master doesn't just clean, it manages your cleaning routine. With powerful suction, intelligent mopping, and a hands-free base station, it sets the tone for this countdown in a very strong way. Number 4. Roborock Saros MaxV Ultra. Coming in at number 4 is the Roborock Saros MaxV Ultra, a robotic cleaning powerhouse that redefines what it means to be fully automated. If you've been waiting for a vacuum that practically runs your home's floor care by itself, this might be the smartest move you'll ever make. Let's start with raw cleaning performance. The Saros MaxV Ultra delivers up to 10, zero paw of suction, one of the highest on the consumer market. Combine that with Roborock's upgraded dual rubber brush system, and you've got a vacuum that grips carpets, agitates dust from deep within, and lifts it away effortlessly. The system also auto-adjusts based on floor type, meaning seamless transitions from hardwood to thick rugs. Where it gets even more impressive is mopping. This vacuum doesn't just drag a damp cloth, it uses sonic mopping, vibrating up to 0 times per minute to scrub stains and grime away. Plus, thanks to the flexi arm design, the mop and side brushes automatically extend to clean baseboards and corners, an area most bots leave untouched. The mop can also lift up when transitioning to carpet so your soft flooring stays dry. Now, let's talk about the dock, and this thing is a masterpiece. The RockDock Ultra handles everything. Auto dustbin emptying, mop washing with hot water, drying with warm air, water tank refilling, and self-cleaning. It's essentially a robot butler for your vacuum. You could go weeks without touching the device at all and still have spotless floors. In terms of navigation, it uses reactive AI 2 and 3D structured light scanning. This allows it to identify over 40 types of common obstacles, from cords to pet accidents, and intelligently maneuver around them without bumping or dragging. It even supports video calling, so you can check in on your pets or home while you're away, using the robot's camera and speaker. Connectivity? Next level. It supports Matter. Integrates with Alexa, Google, and Siri, and features Wi-Fi 6 for faster app response and smoother live camera streaming. The Roborock app gives you granular control over suction power, mopping intensity, cleaning zones, and routines, or you can just let it run on full auto. Who's it for? Busy households, pet owners, or tech lovers who want the very best. If you want a set-it-and-forget-it robot that not only works hard but works smart, this is the model to beat. Bottom line, the Saros MaxV Ultra is more than a vacuum, it's a next-gen floor care system. Number 3. Roborock Saros 10. Coming in at number 3 is the Roborock Saros 10, a powerful, efficient, and beautifully designed robot vacuum that hits the sweet spot between premium performance and practical everyday use. If you're after smart features, serious suction, and a well-balanced design that won't overwhelm your wallet or your living room, this one deserves a serious look. Let's talk performance. The Saros 10 packs 8, 0 POV adjustable suction power, making it one of the strongest in its class. Whether it's fine dust on hardwood or embedded pet hair in carpets, this vacuum doesn't just pass over dirt, it lifts it. The upgraded dual roller brush system ensures better contact with the floor, reducing the need for multiple passes. The real magic, though, lies in its navigation system. Equipped with Roborock's reactive tech mapping, it combines LiDAR with 3D structured light to detect obstacles in real time. Shoes, wires, pet bowls, they're not just seen, they're identified and avoided. This makes each cleaning session smarter and faster, with fewer stops and starts. It also supports dynamic path planning, so the vacuum adjusts its route to maximize coverage with minimal effort. Mopping isn't an afterthought either. The Roborock 3 system provides high-frequency scrubbing, applying more pressure and motion than standard dragging mops. It lifts itself automatically when carpets are detected, keeping them dry and clean. The onboard water tank provides consistent dampness, and you can control mop intensity directly from the app. Its maintenance dock is compact but capable. It auto-empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, refills the water tank, and even dries everything with hot air, keeping odors and bacteria at bay. The robot returns, cleans itself up, and gets ready for the next run without your involvement. You also get 220 minutes of runtime multi-floor mapping, zone cleaning, voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant, and Matter support. Everything is customizable in the Roborock app, which is clean, stable, and easy to navigate. Who's it for? Ideal for households that need high performance without chasing flashy extras. Perfect for pet owners, busy families, or anyone who wants consistent cleaning on autopilot. Bottom line, the Roborock Saros 10 delivers next-level power, precision navigation, and hassle-free maintenance, all in a sleek package that earns its spot in the top 3. If you're enjoying this countdown so far, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you want more no-fluff reviews like this every week. Number 2. Roborock Saros 10R. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the Roborock Saros 10R, a powerhouse designed for those who demand more than just smart features. This model takes everything the standard Saros 10 does right, and amplifies it with enhanced AI, deeper integration, and a sleeker, more refined user experience. If you want your vacuum to think ahead, not just follow commands, the 10R is built with you in mind. Let's start with what sets it apart. Smart Scene AI 2. This next-gen system goes beyond reactive mapping and object detection. It learns. The Saros 10R observes your habits, room layouts, furniture positions, and even seasonal mess patterns, then adjusts its cleaning behavior automatically. It prioritizes high-traffic areas, skips zones when not needed, and updates its own map when changes happen. You're not just programming a vacuum, you're training it. Under the hood, you'll find 10 zero-paw hyperforce suction, one of the most powerful motors Roborock has ever produced. It adapts intelligently to carpet density and debris type. No more manually adjusting settings or doing multiple passes. The 10R handles it all in one go. Combined with a dual roller zero-tangle brush design, it's nearly clog-proof, ideal for pet hair and long strands. Mopping is handled by the upgraded Roborock turbo system, which adds a second vibration module for higher scrubbing intensity and increased pressure. Paired with a smart fluid control system and real-time surface detection, your floors get a deep clean without overwetting or streaks. Like its sibling, the mop lifts when it senses carpet and returns to the dock for hot air drying and sanitization. Its docking station? A beast. You get auto dustbin emptying, intelligent water management, heated mop pad drying, and even self-cleaning pipes inside the station. It's built for true autonomy days, even weeks, without user interaction. Connectivity is world-class. Matter 1.4 support, voice control via Alexa, Siri, or Google Home, and deep integration with smart routines. Want it to clean when you leave the house or sync with your smart blinds? Easy, who's it for? Tech-savvy users, pet owners, or perfectionists who want a system that learns and adapts. This is for homes where cleanliness is a lifestyle, not a chore. Bottom line, the Roborock Saros 10R is like having a live-in cleaning assistant that never forgets, never misses, and only gets smarter. It's bold, it's brilliant, and it's nearly at the top of this year's lineup. And finally, my number one pick, Roborock Saros Z70. Topping this list is the undisputed king of Roborock's 2025 lineup, the Roborock Saros Z70. This isn't just another robot vacuum. It's a full-fledged AI cleaning ecosystem packed into one of the most advanced, autonomous, and intelligent smart home devices on the market. If you're aiming for peak performance, maximum convenience, and true set-it-and-forget-it automation, this is the one. Let's start with what makes the Z70 revolutionary. At its core is Saros AI X, Roborock's most powerful machine learning algorithm to date. This system doesn't just memorize floor plans, it predicts your home's needs. Using an array of vision sensors, LiDAR, 3D cameras, and AI mapping, it builds a behavioral model of your living space. It learns which areas get dirtiest, which routes are most efficient, and even identifies seasonal mess patterns. Over time, it gets smarter, not outdated. Suction power? An insane 11 zero-paw, driven by the upgraded HyperVac fusion motor. This level of suction lifts particles embedded deep in thick carpets, corners, and grout lines, all while adjusting dynamically to floor types. It's paired with quad brush edge reach technology, which ensures no baseboard or furniture leg is left untouched. Mopping is just as impressive. The Roborock X Pro system delivers tri-zone scrubbing with sonic vibration and downward pressure that simulates manual scrubbing. The system detects flooring types in real time and adjusts mop lift, height, water dispersion, and pathing, all without user input. And yes, it lifts itself over rugs and automatically sanitizes after every session. The Z70's UltraDock Max station is a showstopper. Beyond auto mop washing and hot air drying, it includes detergent dispensing, auto refilling clean water, self-emptying dustbin, pipe flushing, and even mold prevention sensors. This is a dock designed to run independently for over a month without you lifting a finger. Connectivity? You get Matter 1.5 support, multi-user profiles, room-by-room AI suggestions, and full integration with smart homes, including routines like clean kitchen after dinner. Control is seamless via voice or app, and yes, the interface is polished and intuitive. Who's it for? Early adopters, busy professionals, large families, or anyone tired of micromanaging cleaning tasks. If you want the best, and you want it now, the Z70 delivers. Bottom line, the Roborock Saros Z70 isn't just a robot vacuum. It's the future of home automation. Intelligent, powerful, and completely hands-free. This is the gold standard of 2025. And that wraps up my countdown of the most advanced Roborock vacuums you can get right now. Whether you're chasing smarter navigation, more powerful suction, or just want your floor spotless without lifting a finger, this lineup has something for every home and every lifestyle. From the slim and sleek MaxV Ultra to the full-blown AI powerhouse Saros Z70, Roborock clearly isn't playing around this year. So which one stood out to you the most? Are you aiming for all-in automation? Or just want a solid upgrade that saves you time? Drop your thoughts down in the comments, I always read and reply. And hey, if this breakdown helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another sharp, honest, and straight to the point tech review like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.